In the UNA section, we learned the difference between market, limit, and stop orders. And I also explained take profit and stop loss orders. And actually the same options and order types are available on the FXCM trading station as well. So we can create a market order by clicking here or here. So that's here a market order. But we can also open a position with a limit or stop order. And that are also called entry orders. So we can enter into a position based on a predefined price. And we can go here to trading, create entry order. So here we can determine the symbol and also if it's a buy or sell order and the amount. And then we can define the rate. So let's assume that we want to buy euro if the price slips below . So here we can see our open position. It's a long position for 100,000 units. And also here we can see our take profit or limit order at 1.119. And here we can also change the price. So let's click here. And we can also delete or cancel our take profit order. And again, also here, if we close the position, then the limit order or stop orders are getting automatically cancelled as well. All right, thanks for watching and see you also in the next lecture. Bye.